Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope you people all will be good. And friends, I'm also good. So friends, I'm Sonia and I'm from East Uttar Pradesh, and recently I've done my graduation and now I'm doing masters. So that's all about me. Friends, if you want to learn English, so this video is especially for you, especially for beginners, uh, who people want to learn English but they can't understand how to learn first and where to learn first and what all learn first for learning English language. Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to share with you some tips that you can improve your English skills. Okay, if you are first time here, then do subscribe the channel and like this video and share with your friends. Okay, so welcome to the our topic. So my friends, our topic is for learning English language. What is important? Friends, first you tell me, if we want to learn English, then what is learn first? What is learn first to learn English language? Friends, take a few minutes and think yourselves what is important for learning English language. Anyway friends, let me tell you. So friends, it's depend on two reasons. That's how is your environment. Okay, because environment role is very important. So my friends, if you have English environment, that means if you have environment where English is spoken, so such people can learn English language without learning grammar rules. Okay, if you don't have environment like where English is spoken, so friends, such people don't speak English, don't learn English without learning grammar. Okay, if you one of them, then you should learn basic grammar rules. Then you can speak English easily. Okay, my friends, and if you have an environment where English is spoken, they can speak English without learning grammar. And if you don't have such environment, then friends, in my opinion, you should learn basic grammar. Then you can speak English easily. And friends, one thing I want to tell you, friends, still I'm learning English language and I'm learning English language for few months. So friends, I'm speaking with you uh, from my experience, because my friends, when we do something and then after few months uh, we have experienced and we have realized that what is important for this, for that. When I was a beginner, then first time I learned basic grammar rules. Basic grammar rules, that means tense. First of all, I learned tense and helping verb, modal verb, causative verb, and pronouns table. So these are things first I was learned. Okay, and now I am still learning English language. Yes, today I can speak English and not fluently, but I can speak English. So friends, if I can, so why you can't? You can also do it. If you are thinking learning English language, speaking English language, so friends, don't wait the perfect time and start from today learning English language. And friends, one thing I would like to tell you, friends, is the biggest mistake we make is that first we will learn all grammar rules, all rules in English, and after that we will speak, we will learn, we will speak English. So my dear friends, it's completely wrong. Friends, when you learn grammar rules, then simultaneously you should speak English, you should speaking practice English. And who people think, first of all we will learn all grammar rules, all English rules, and after that we will speak, we will speaking practice. So my friends, it's completely wrong. You should learn grammar rules bit by bit, and as well as you should speaking practice. Okay, so don't do this, that I'll learn all grammar rules and after that I'll speaking practice. Simultaneously you should practice speaking English and learn grammar rules. And by the way, grammar rules is so vast, but my dear friends, you should learn basic grammar rules. You can learn tense and helping word, modal verb, causative verb, and pronouns table, and these things. Okay, so you should learn first, and as well as you have to practice speaking practice. Okay friends, then friends, definitely you will be able to speak English one day. And friends, definitely in the beginning day, if you are truly beginner, then in the beginning day, you will feel like it's very hard and I can't do this like this. So my dear friends, don't take pressure and continue your journey, learning English journey. And one day you will see yourself then how to better than before, and how is your result better than before. Okay friends, and if you make any mistake, so don't worry, mistake is a part of learning. So when you mistakes, then definitely you will learn by your mistake. Okay, I can speak English, but it's not mean that I don't make a mistake anywhere. I don't make mistake anywhere. Friends, I can also make mistakes, and by mistakes I learn so many things. Okay, so don't fear mistakes if you have English environment. So no need to learn English grammar, just start speaking English from today. And if you don't have such environment, then friends, create English environment. You can create English environment like if you watch any videos like serial, podcast, and a movie, and a cartoon, and stories. So friends, these things you start watching in English language. Friends, not Hindi, English, in English language. And initially you will not able to understand properly, but gradually you will understand easily. So all things start watching in English. In a such a way, you can improve your English speaking. One thing I would tell you, friends, always I'll try my level best. And if you have any suggestion, any queries, so friends, you comment below this video and support me. Don't subscribe the channel now, so friends, please subscribe the channel and motivate me make more videos. Okay, so friends, that's all in today's video, and see you in the next video. Okay, keep practicing and keep learning English language. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.